going on YouTube? It's your boy Sears, the tow truck driver, back at it with another one, impound release on that Jeep Wrangler. Got AAA here to pick it up. The driver owner just brought the key. Hi. Getting his photos.
You guys ever turn down calls like, I can't that shit? In the car?
Well, for us, we tow for the police department. So that's all we, unless it's deep over the embankment that, we not going over, or it's, like structures that need to be moved to get to it. That's about the only thing that'll keep us from getting it. Other than that, yeah, we contracted with the police department.
You don't get a choice.
Nah. Nah, we're constantly working.
What's that?
I say we're constantly working. As long as the police out there, we out there.
Yeah, I've only ever had one that I sent out of like, it was on an impound lot and there was a whole shitload of blood in there. I was like,
oh yeah. Now see, we done came across those cars,
yeah,
like fresh off the scene.
yeah, daily and shit, right?
Yeah. So, I mean, I don't get in them, just drag the shit out of them.
Yeah.
I gotta go home.
Yeah, exactly.
Definitely don't want to take it home, whatever it is, if it is something.
I looked inside that car, like, I called my boss, he said, no, we're good.
Matter of fact, one call I did, it was a Jaguar. They got overturned on the highway from a shootout. As I was out there on the scene, I was having to do like this, watch my step, not to step in puddles of blood.
You happy here?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they treat you guys good?
Oh yeah. It's lovely,
Yeah. As long as you're happy, man, that's it.
It's guaranteed work.
Yeah. And right now, man, that shit's at a premium.
Right. And the excitement that come with pulling up on the police, you never know what you may pull up to. See, I've done the roadside.
Yeah, same here.
I've done the transporting.
No, I never did that.
You know, and like I started on the wheel lift.
Is this fucker gonna come down if I pull it up here?
That one ain't gonna turn, Jock. It's this side over here. That one ain't gonna really turn.
No, this ain't gonna turn. Like it's coming on there even. Well,
Yeah, what you could do, because what it looked like, it was still coming on even when you straighten it, it's gonna self-correct itself to turn back out. It'll keep it from wedging up on the bed.
yeah. I'm just wondering how the fuck am I gonna get this thing down? Put it in neutral, let it roll.
Yep. Pretty much. That would.
Do you think it'll start up?
Yeah, it'll crank.
It will.
If the battery's not dead.
I think that light or something's on.
You have control of this wheel. You gonna make it. You gonna make it. Put it in neutral.
Damn, that's right, duh. Fucking retard.
You gonna clear. Yeah. You got about that much on both sides still. You on the bed now.
Right there. Fuck it. Good times with this motherfucker.
Yeah. Sure got a good spare tire on there.
What's that?
I say you got a brand new spare tire and rim.
Yeah.
So all you gotta do is just get the suspension fixed.
Here in a moment. Is it alright if I go hide behind something, take
Hey,
a piss real quick?
hey, do what you gotta do. Yeah.
We gotta do to get these fucking cars sometimes, isn't it?
Yeah, man.
People always think that shit's funny, you know, I can do that.
Until they get out here and have to do it on a consistent basis.
I gotta winch some shit out, do this, that.
It just killed me when you have to do all this shit in the rain. But sometimes during the summer, I prefer the rain than the sun.
Oh, yeah. Alright. Where's a good hiding spot?
Wherever you go, back behind the van or. Yeah, glad to see it go.
What's that?
I say I'm glad to see it go. There's a crazy story behind it. All right. Nah. Like I said, I just shook it off. I had it in neutral, still on the winch, just for safety. And I kind of just winched it down. You know what I'm saying? And then when it got to the end, I kind of shook it.
Okay.
Yeah. And then,
I'm just gonna follow suit, man.
yeah. All right.